guys, loser in the house.
Loser!
I love those. I used to play with them all the time.
Loser, these toys were just invented. You said you used to play with them. An hour ago, they didn't exist. They weren't invented yet. You couldn't have been playing with them if they didn't exist. That is a lie. You lied to us, loser. Why did you do that? Why did you intentionally tell us something that was made up? Why did you lie to us, loser?
Everybody, clear the area! This is my first time hosting Cake and Steak, and I don't want to mess it up!
Oh my gosh, this is exciting.
That makes me forget everything that happened earlier.
Huh? Where'd he go?
No! Donut's a vampire too?
Oh, there he is.
Bleh, still got other evidence.
Team losers, you lost last episode. Also, you don't have to sit so close. That's better. The viewers chose one of you to be eliminated. If you're safe, you'll be getting cake. Oh. Pin, Corny, and Cake?
Yeah?
You all got 3-digit numbers of votes, but you're safe.
This is not cake.
It's topped with a grain of sugar.
And I'm gonna find it!
As for you guys, you're safe. Even with your monstrous 4-digiters. Now, you two are the only ones left. I'm sensing some uneasiness from Loser here. Is it the mistake he made earlier? Voters won't forget that.
That doesn't apply to today, though.
You're right. Eggy, though, what you said last time does.
I thought I could glide through the competition without danger, but it looks like Clock had messed that up for us.
Now wait, let's think about this.
And the result is... Loser, are you feeling alright?
Pretty much.
Good, because you're eliminated!
Ladies and gentlemen, the worst has unfortunately come to pass. America has officially fallen at the hands of K-17PXVI, as will the rest of the world. Much of the federal government has ceased functioning, and the president has been confirmed dead. The pandemic has beat us. Cases are continuing to rise, and more countries continue to collapse. Society's end is inevitable. Earth will transform into a hellish planet unsuitable for all life. As such, you will no longer be
interrupt this program for a civil threat emergency. At this time, do not answer your door for anyone, even if they appear to be a child calling for help. If you encounter one of these entities, it is advised you immediately run.
Loser, we haven't heard much from you today. Any last words? Ruby, stop playing with those things!
Huh?
It's a symbol of a very painful moment for all of us!
Fries, these are the pieces of the jawbreakers we had lying around.
Yeah, there's something really weird I found out about them. Sound can come in, but it can't come out.
Wait, why is a piece of food so...
Fries, this jawbreaker looks perfect on you.
Ruby, isn't it kinda...
Wait, something's off. There we go. Truly ethereal.
Like, is that flower you're wearing too? Her eye for fashion has, gotten so good lately.
Donut, what did you do with Loser?
I eliminated him!
What did you do with Loser?
I put him in one of the jawbreakers, but he kept crawling out. So I turned it inside out. Turns out saliva's as good as glue. Loser, are you in there? Ha! Of course you're in there!
Hey, what's this? Donut's diary?
That's horrifying!
He had it coming.
He saved you!
Ungrateful.
He was trying to gain something!
He lied once!
He doesn't deserve this.
Deserve what?
The criticism.
He's gone for a reason!
Hater! You just want to take everything we love and destroy it!
What are you talking about? Loser's dead!
Actually, he's over here.
What was that?
Well, at least the twinkle's gone.